Hello and welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into the latest innovation from AutoSky, touted as the best in its class, the wireless CarPlay system. Imagine a seamless driving experience where your car becomes an extension of your digital life. The AutoSky wireless CarPlay revolutionizes how you interact with your vehicle, offering unparalleled convenience and functionality. Gone are the days of cumbersome cables. With AutoSky's wireless CarPlay, you can connect your iPhone effortlessly. Enjoy instant access to your favorite apps, navigation, and music without lifting a finger. Whether you're driving a new model or an older vehicle, the AutoSky system seamlessly integrates with a wide range of car models. It's compatible with most iOS updates, ensuring you stay connected. Experience smooth and reliable performance thanks to advanced wireless technology. Stay connected without interruptions, even in areas with varying signal strengths. The sleek design blends seamlessly with your car's interior, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Installation is straightforward, requiring minimal setup time. In conclusion, the AutoSky wireless CarPlay sets a new standard for in-car connectivity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your driving experience, this product delivers on its promise. Interested in upgrading your car? Check out the link in the description for more information. And to get your own AutoSky wireless CarPlay system today. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech innovations. Until next time, drive safe and stay connected.